Hello Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Cancer, pauna, mensahe po ninyo, I trust. Ayan, so magtiwala kayo. Maaring ginigising kayo na mensaheng ito because siguro ang iba sa inyo, may mga hindi masyadong paborable siguro na nangyayari sa inyo, kaya parang unti-unti nawawalan siguro kayo ng tiwala, no, sa inyong sarili or maging sa divine universe. Kaya ito, ginigising kayo na mensaheng ito na keep your trust alive, no, magtiwala kayo. There are things na nangyayari na hindi pabor para sa inyo, but that doesn't mean, no, na your prayers are not heard. That doesn't mean na hindi kayo mahal ng divine universe. That doesn't mean na hindi kayo mahalaga, diba? No, hindi ganon. May mga bagay talaga na kailangan mangyari, no? May mga hindi paborable para sa atin na nangyayari, and that is for a purpose, no? Let's always remember that everything happens for a reason. Everything happens in divine order and timing. Lahat ng bagay, no, may halaga. Lahat ng tao, mahalaga. Kaya, kahit may mga life hiccups tayong nararanasan at some point sa buhay natin, it is there sa life's journey natin for a reason, no? So, magtiwala kayo, huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa, no? We have improving health. Ang iba sa inyo dito, Cancer, siguro kung meron kayong mga physical ailments, may mga nararamdaman kayong hindi maganda sa katawan, maybe ngayon, no, makaka-receive na kayo ng healing energy, and maybe you will start to feel that your strength is coming back, your vitality is coming back, yung gano'n, no? So, good luck. What else we have? If you believe. Ayan. So, this is a beautiful reminder then para sa inyo na kung ano yung pinaniniwalaan ninyo, or if naniniwala kayo na, let's say for example, your health will improve, no? Kung yan ang pinaniniwalaan ninyo, ay yan talaga ang maa-attract ninyo towards you. Yan talaga ang mag-unfold, yan talaga ang mangyayari, at yan talaga ang ma-experience ninyo, no? So, what else? We have big happy changes. Napakaganda. This is a massive transformation, and this is a happy changes, no? This is positive changes na mag-unfold sa buhay ninyo, Cancer. So, this is really beautiful. It could be in any area of life, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, kayo lang ang tanging nakakaalam kung anong area ng buhay ninyo to na magkakaroon ng isang malaking pagbabago, isang masaya at malaking pagbabago. Forgiveness. Ayan. So, ang iba sa inyo dito, handa ng magpatawad. Maybe you have come to realize na it's about time na mag-move on na kayo sa buhay. Maaring your heart is like expanding sa ngayon. You are oozing with love. Siguro yung puso ninyo is oozing with love. Kaya siguro handa na kayo na tanggapin na kung ano ang mga nangyari in the past. Yan ay nangyari na for a reason. Kaya ngayon parang it's you're realizing na it's about time na to embrace healing process at magsisimula kayo dito sa pag-accept, sa pag-forgive, no? So, good luck. We have yes. Wow, napakaganda nito. And yung yes pati, merong exclamation point. So, yung yes ito na hindi na negotiable. So, definite yes ito. So, siguro, Cancer, kung naghihingi kayo ng confirmation, naghihingi kayo ng sign, or naghihingi kayo ng let's say for example, go signal, no, sa universe, and this is a yes. This could be the answer na yes, it is. This is the green light na. So, go for it kung ano man ito na hinihingian ninyo ng sign. Peaceful resolution. Ayan. So, ang iba siguro sa inyo, Cancer, may mga hindi pagkakaintindihan with another person for quite a while now, in the past, no, or the recent past. At ngayon, magandang balita, no, na magkakaroon na siguro kayo dito ng pag-uusap. You are going siguro to agree on something, no, maaring mag-compromise kayo dito just to meet halfway. At maganda, no, maganda kasi magkakabati na kayo dito, magkakaintindihan na rin kayo finally, kung ano mga punto pinaglalaban ninyo, yung ganon. It's up to you. Ayan, yung nasa tapat niya si Big Happy Changes kasi siguro kung ano man ito na gusto ninyong i-create na malaking pagbabago, no? Decision ninyo yan. You are given the liberty to make those changes sa buhay ninyo, no? So, it's up to you to decide on that. What else for Cancer? Final message ni Cancer. We have angel number 4444, blessing in disguise. Obstacles, hardships, strength, building character, experience, yun ang mga kakaharapin siguro ninyo sa ngayon. There might be some difficulties ahead, but you will push through. Yan, laban na laban si Cancer. Now, you got this. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, the winds of change will blow in your favor. If you've been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you're building the framework for something much better. So, hang in there. So, parang I'm getting the energy of the tower, tower energy dito sa tarot deck na may mga bagay dito na kailangang matibag, kailangang sirain, no? For you to be able to rebuild, no, a stronger foundation on that. So, that could be in any area of life. Yung big happy changes na to, maaring ito yon, no? So, that could be a change in your relationship, in your family, in your career, trabaho, pakikipagkaibigan, romantic relationship. It could be in any area of life. So, kayo lang ang tanging nakakaalam dyan kung aling area ng buhay ninyo ang gusto ninyo magkaroon ng pagbabago. Good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Tingnan natin ang mga mensahe ng Scorpio. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ay ask for help from others. Ayan. So maybe Scorpio, kailangan ninyo dito ng ayuda. Kailangan ninyo ng tulong. Kailangan ninyo ng assistance dito. And inaanyayahan kayo dito na huwag kayong mag-doubt or huwag kayong magdalawang isip, mag-hesitate na humingi ng tulong sa iba. Ask for help from others. No? Always remember that help is always available to us. Okay? What else? We have romance. Ayan. So, ang iba sa inyo dito siguro is entering a new romantic and love relationship. Now, there is union of two people dito in love. Yan ang nakikita ko. At kung nandoon naman kayo sa sitwasyon na siguro nasa established relationship na kayo, so maaaring magkakaroon dito ng pag-level up na ang inyong relationship. Maaaring papunta na kayo doon sa pag-aasawa, siguro pagsasama together, or siguro you're welcoming a new baby, yung ganon. So, leveling up na ng inyong commitment with your person, siguro ang usapin dito ng iba sa inyo, Scorpio. Communicate clearly. This is maybe what you are being required, no, of sa inyong sitwasyon sa ngayon. You need to communicate clearly and effectively para mas maging maganda ang inyong relationship, mas maging maganda ang inyong samahan, no, ng kung sino man sa buhay ninyo. What else? We have no. Yung no na to, non-negotiable, ano, kasi may exclamation point. So, definite no ito, no? So, maaring meron kayong pagsasabihan ng no, or maaring kayo yung makaka-receive ng no answer from other people. We have let go. Ayan. So, may mga bagay, tao, or even situation dito na kailangan na ninyong i-let go, kailangan na ninyong i-release because in the first place, hindi naman ito na nagsiserve ng inyong highest good. So, wala na siyang room sa sarili ninyo, no? Parang hindi na na-deserve, kumbaga, ang space sa buhay ninyo. Kaya kailangan nyo na itong i-release, no? Sa buhay ninyo. What else? We have take action. Ayan, you may need to take action right now. Otherwise, kung nag-iisip at nag-iisip lang kayo, nagpaplano at nagpaplano lang kayo, hindi naman yan magka-come to fruition if you are not going to take action, diba? So, kung anong plano ninyo, kung ano yung binabalak ninyong gawin, you know, mangyayari lang yan if you are going to take the practical steps na. So, you really need to take action. Okay? We have asked your angels. Ayan. So, maybe hesitant kayo dito na magsalita. Hesitant kayo na magdesisyon about something. It's because siguro hindi kayo sure. Diba? Then, sa kung ano man yung stand niyo or hindi kayo sure doon sa idea ninyo or kung ano man ang iniisip ninyo, Scorpio. Okay? Kaya, dito parang ininyayahan kayo ng angels ninyo na ask them, no? Ask them kung ano yung kailangan ninyong clarity, enlightenment. They're just a prayer away. Okay? So, what else? We have peaceful resolution. Ayan. So, this is beautiful kasi siguro kung sino man itong hindi ninyo or wala kayong pagkakaintindihan with this person in the past or recently, no? Sa ngayon, maaaring magkausap na kayong muli at mag-agree na kayo dito on a certain thing. Kung ano man yung hindi ninyo pinagkaintindihan in the past, no? Maaaring ngayon mas mapag-usapan ninyo at mag-come up kayo ng compromise, no? Mag-come up kayo with a compromise at magkaroon na kayo ng pagbabate. Magkakaayos na din kayo finally, no? So, maaring may ganong sitwasyon ng ganap, no, dito sa inyo. Tignan natin ang mga final messages ni Scorpio. 13-13, starting fresh. Ayan. So, meron talagang bagong ganap dito sa buhay ninyo na magsisimula, no? Step out of your comfort zone. You are about to create something meaningful. All your skills and talents will bring you auspicious profits. Build up your confidence and trust in your decisions. So, parang malaking pagbabago ito na gagawin ninyo. Parang malaking desisyon dito ang gagawin ninyo, no? So, maaaring mag-take risk kayo dito. You are stepping out of your comfort zone. So, maybe uncharted territory para sa inyo ang papasukin ninyo dito, Scorpio. So, good luck, no? What else? We have angel number 7777, ano? You are stepping out of your comfort zone. So, kailangan nyo lang na magsikap pa, magtiyaga pa, mag-persevere kayo, okay? There may be a change of perspective dito na mangyayari. At siguro, ma-figure out ninyo yan because there could be a reflection mode dito na gagawin kayo, no? Kaya mas siguro madidiscover ninyo dito na mas nararapat nang gawin ito na mag-grow na kayo, mag-evolve na kayo into the best version of yourself. Kaya ngayon parang bubuhayin na ninyo yung inyong courage and inner strength for you to be able to do that, diba? Na sumubok ng mga bagong avenues or sumubok ng mga bagong bagay. There's a need for a change of perspective on whatever has taken over you now. If you want to succeed, you need to keep going down the road you're on. Reach for the wisdom within, and then you'll just know what the right next step is. So, parang ginagabayan kayo ng universe dito. The divine universe is sending you messages as guidance, no? At yun ang naririnig ninyo, yun ang susundin ninyo. So, that's really beautiful. Good luck, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste. Hello Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Pauna mensahe po ni Pisces, romance. Romance is in the air for some of you Pisces. Nakakakilig. Ang maganda rin ito, no? Pagdating sa relationships, kung nasa established relationship na kayo, Pisces, most likely, meron ditong ganap na mas magiging closer kayo, mas magiging stronger ang inyong relationship with your person, mas passionate siguro kayo sa ngayon with each other, merong mas kumbaga parang mas magla-level up ngayon yung inyong relationship. So, maaaring may usapin ditong pag-aasawa, pagsisimula ng pamilya, no, pagkakaroon ng anak, live together na. So, maaaring ganun ang ganap dito, usapin ng couples dito for some of you Pisces. Posible din na kung single kayo at meron kayong maliligaw or meron kayong nililigawan. So, maaaring pumasok na kayo ngayon sa love and romantic relationship. So, that's really exciting for you. We have perfect timing. Yan. So, divine timing has come na dito, Pisces. Maaaring related dito sa romance energy, no? Mararamdaman naman ninyo yan, no, na perfect timing na ang lahat dahil everything will fall into its right places na. Kapag divine timing has come, 'di ba? Lahat smooth sailing. Lahat kusang nangyayari, kumbaga, no? Or lahat ng conditions around you talagang dadalhin kayo sa sitwasyon na nandoon na, easy peasy na lang, wala nang obstacles, wala nang kahirapan, everything will just happen, 'di ba? Yung ganun. What else? We have get more information for some of you dito before you jump into conclusion, before you jump into a decision. Kailangan ninyo muna na mag-research pa, mag-gather pa kayo ng information, ng facts, mga ganon. At pag-isipan pa ninyong mabuti, no? Yun ang ganap dito for some of you. We have don't stop and never give up, no? Never give up. Kailangan nyo lang na maghanap pa or kumuha pa ng mas maraming impormasyon para handa kayo sa kung ano man ang mangyayari at para makapag-isip kayo ng diskarte, no? You can prepare for anything that might happen, kumbaga, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. So, don't stop. Hindi yan ibig sabihin na inaanyayahan kayo dito na maghanap pa kayo ng mas marami pang impormasyon. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi yan para sa'yo or kailangan nyo ng sumuko. Hindi yan ganon, no? Sinasabi sa inyo dito na kumuha pa kayo ng mas maraming impormasyon. Mag-research pa kayo para mas marami kayong alam, mas makakapagplano kayo ng mas mabuti. So, don't stop. No? Don't stop na mag-research. Don't stop sa inyong iniisip, no, na sitwasyon or na magiging sitwasyon or plano or ideas ninyo, no, na gusto ninyong i-roll out. Okay, continue persevering, continue to make it better. Mag-isip pa kayo ng mas ikakaganda pa or mas ikakabuti pa ng inyong sitwasyon. Okay, we have forgiveness. Ang iba sa inyo siguro, since this is katapat niya si romance, maaaring meron ditong issue ang iba sa inyo romantically na kailangan ninyo na magpatawad na, no? Maaaring sa ngayon, your heart expands, your heart is oozing with love, kaya mas pipiliin ninyo ngayon na tanggapin na kung ano man ang nangyari at magpatawad, no? You are on the road to healing, no? Kaya mapipiliin ninyong magpatawad sa ngayon. Nagpaiwan siya. We have reconsider. For some of you, Pisces, maaring may mga sitwasyon na kailangan ninyong balikan, no? May mga sitwasyon na kailangan ninyong balikan para pag-isipan. You may need to reconsider other things dito, Pisces, no? Kaya kailangan ninyo siguro na i-review pa muli, i-reassess muli, no? Before you make a decision. We have the situation will improve. Yan, napakaganda. So, maaaring ibang sitwasyon ito, hindi ito about romance, hindi ito about love, no? Na get more information. Maaaring may iba kayong sitwasyon dito na kailangang mag-research kayo, kailangan pa na mas marami kayong impormasyon na makuha, malaman, dahil yun siguro ang makakatulong sa inyo na mag-improve ang inyong sitwasyon. So, don't lose hope, never give up, don't stop, because eventually, one day pagising ninyo, your situation is perfectly fine na, no? We have recovery, ayan, whatever it is, no, na pinagdadaanan ninyo, you will recover from that. Ang iba siguro sa inyo, this is physical ailments, no, at ngayon, makakaranas na kayo siguro ngayon ng pagaling. Your physical strength will come back na, will start to come back. Your physical body, will start to feel na lumalakas na kayong muli, gumaganda ng inyong pakiramdam. Siguro your vitality will start to to come back na, no, yung ganon. Kung mayroon din kayo ditong mga siguro iniindang problema pagdating sa pera or sa relationship, you can expect that you will recover from that. You can expect that everything is going to improve na. So, final message ni Pisces for today ay angel number 101, starting over. Napakaganda because you are on the recovery stage, you are on the healing process na kaya you are going to start over, no? Kung ano man yan, relationship man yan, katawan man yan, physical ailments, emotional, ano man yan, problem, whatever that is, you are going to start over, no? Starting fresh kayo ngayon. Happiness is linked to self-expression, growth, and experience. Learning from failures is key. Happiness is real, possible, and around. Understand its process and the pursuit of it. Joy is fluid. It's in the little things and the big ones. Fails are fun. Start fresh. Ayan, Pisces. Good luck. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.